Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how you can do this simple Indian traditional makeup look which even a beginner can do without any doubt. So starting off with the primer, I'm using this Sugar Cosmetics Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer and applying it all over my T-zone and on the areas where I have open pores. So next I'm taking this illegal orange corrector and applying it on the areas where I have dark spots or darkness, that is around my eyes and around my mouth and on few pimple spots which I have on my cheeks. With the help of this damp beauty sponge, I'm blending the orange corrector nicely. Next, I'm taking this illegal concealer in the shade Creamy Beige and applying it on the top of the orange corrector. I'm using the same beauty sponge which I used earlier, so blending everything nicely. For my foundation today, I'm using the NARS Shea Glow foundation in the shade Medium 3.5 and I'm applying dots all over my face and also neck and blending with the same beauty sponge. This foundation gives very dewy finish and it is very lightweight, so if you want more coverage you can build it up by applying it in layers. As I am going with very nice dewy natural finish, so I'm just applying a single layer of the foundation. For highlighting my face, I'm using the illegal concealer in the shade Light Ivory and applying it on the areas which I wanted to highlight, that is under my eyes, on my forehead and bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow and my chin. Once everything is blended nicely, I'm gonna set everything with this Sugar Cosmetics Banana Compact Powder. Next, to give nice dimension to my face, I'm using this NYX Highlighter and Contour Pro palette and I'm contouring the usual areas where we need to contour. Don't forget to contour your forehead if you have a big forehead like me. Even if you have a very small forehead, just contour very close to the hairline. It will give nice dimension to your face. And not to forget the jawline and also chin if you have double chin. Even if you don't have double chin, contouring near the jawline gives you very precise shape to your jawline. So in today's tutorial, I am not going to contour my nose, so I am leaving my nose as it is. For my blush, I am using this Tarte Amazonian Clay blush Insightful and applying it on my cheeks. Next, for the eyebrows, I am using this Sigma Eyebrow Duo Powder in the shade Dark. The basic steps to do your eyebrows is very simple. First step is brush the brows and the second step is outline them and the third step is to fill them. So this is what I am doing here. When it comes to front part of the brows, instead of going horizontally, go with vertical strokes so that it will give you natural finish. For the eye look, I am taking my Colorpop Cosmetics Gel Liner in the shade Call Me and applying it on my lid very near to the lash line. So to smudge it, I am using this smudger which comes with the kajal pencil from K by Katrina to blend my brown kajal. And for the brown colors, I am using the same NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. So I am taking the dark brown shade from this palette and I am using that shade on top of my smudged brown kajal. And on top of it, I'm going to use the lightest brown shade from the palette near my crease area as my transition color. So as my eyeliner, I am using the same kajal pencil from K by Katrina in the shade Raven Hue, and I am using the kajal to tightline my eyes and also as my eyeliner on top of my eyelid and also on the lower lash line. So once I applied the eyeliner with the same smudger which comes with the kajal pencil, I am just smoking out the liner a little bit to give this smoked eyeliner look. So once I'm satisfied with how it is looking, I'm taking a small pencil brush and just setting the kajal using a black eyeshadow. So I'm using this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick in the shade Radiant to highlight my brow bone and also to highlight all the areas of my face which I wanted to be highlighted. For my lips today, I am using this K by Katrina's lip crayon in the shade Star Mania and applying it all over my lips. I am going with this Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade Girlfriend, and I am applying it just in the center of my lips and blending it nicely with the help of my fingers. I completely forgot about my mascara, so before applying mascara, I love to curl my lashes. For this, I'm using this eyelash curler from Miniso and I'm curling both my lashes. And for my mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and applying a good coat of mascara on both my upper lashes and also my lower lashes. And to complete my entire look, I am applying this matching bindi. So this is how my entire makeup looks like. So I kept the look very basic, simple and beginner friendly so that even a person who doesn't know anything about makeup can do this look very easily. So as the festive season is coming up, I thought this beginner friendly traditional makeup look can help many girls out there. So keep watching this space for more such videos and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.